Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so the repair is focused and fast. Update iOS now because software fixes often resolve Face ID faults, then unlock settings to confirm. Once done, clear the true depth camera area. Oils and protectors block infrared sensors. Make sure to remove any case or screen cover and restart the iPhone. This refreshes system services. Finally, keep your passcode handy. You'll need it for any Face ID. You now reset and re-enroll Face ID to rebuild the biometric profile. Go to Settings, choose Face ID and Passcode, and tap Reset Face ID. This removes corrupted data. Next, tap Set up Face ID and follow prompts. Hold the phone at arm's length, place your face in the frame, then slowly rotate your head to complete both scans. If you use sunglasses, hats, or heavy makeup, add an alternate appearance to improve recognition across looks. You finish by eliminating deeper causes. First, test Face ID after re-enroll. If it still fails, run diagnostics or book an Apple Store check because the True Depth module can be a hardware issue. If software corruption is suspected, back up and try a restore or perform a DFU restore as a last resort. This reinstalls firmware. Make sure to verify Face ID after each step. If none work, contact Apple support. Hardware repair or module replacement may be required, and they'll guide warranty or repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.